What's up, guys? Long time no see. We're back at it with another video. Today is kind of more of a workflow type thing. I started going into business for myself throughout this whole COVID thing. So right now I'm on the way to my boy's house. They let me use his garage so I could do some headers on the Fitchin Camaro. Those got speed engineering headers like what I have on mine, and shouldn't be that long. I just got done doing another car. Got done doing a Mustang right now. Just quick tune up on it. So we're gonna go ahead and go over here to the homeboy's house. Wait for this fool to pull up. Might have my homeboy do a little bit more paint correction so he doesn't get bored. See if he wants to touch my car. So let's get to it.
I've been feeling like I'm ready for the top. Got the pedal to the metal, I've been grinding non-stop, killing every instrumental, and I knew just what I wanted. Now I gotta go and get it, and I'm never looking back, only looking where I'm headed. And I doubt it for a minute, trying to get another win. I burned a lot of bridges, but I know that I can swim. I don't need nobody else, people trying to take my credit. I can do it by myself, cause I got it all embedded in my mind. I'm a psycho, trying to get it right though, trying to save my time. I've been feeling like I'm Geico, balling in my prime. I've been
Honda boys for life. I got the boosted boys.
My sister's getting good amount of likes on her photo.
Is she?
Yeah, she's already in 137.
Damn. Oh.
I tried to just think that's on the hashtag.
Looks like a nipple on the back of her.
Nipple?
Looks like a really pointy nipple.
Oh, yeah. It's hard.
Yeah.
When is the guy coming?
He's coming right now. I say he's eating and then he's gonna come. So
I want to see how it's doing.
I'm not gonna get mad about losing to a boosted car.
Like the T15?
It's still boosted though. Damn, all that smoke. I want all the smoke. That bitch running rich like a motherfucker. I'm surprised it doesn't shoot flames. Man, right the fuck out that clutch and shit. You think he fast? We're just waiting on the homie to pull up so we can get started on these headers with this slow ass motherfucker right here. God damn. Got no respect for his fucking neighbors and shit. Must be nice to be fast.
Probably, I just put a full drag pack on that bitch.
No, pues no quieres nada.
Should have a big ass fucking motor too, huh?
Oh,
Is it 20?
yeah.
Rev that shit. Sounds good. Shit sounds good. We got clean up. Alright, so we're done with that little segment. Installing some headers. I wasn't gonna film the whole thing. Like I said, I know you guys have probably seen plenty of videos on how to do and install of that on fidget Camaros, but so we're just on the way home now. Gonna go home, shower, eat some food, and Mero gang, friends, niggas. But so yeah, we're gonna probably pick it up later on. Might be something going on tonight, who knows? Maybe some sideshow activity. I don't know. I don't know if I'm willing to go to that right now. It's just too damn hot. But yeah. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it so far, and I'm just gonna leave it here. Peace.